My name is Prince Akinwande Adedimeji. I'm into hospitality business. That we run a chain of hotels and restaurants. Arnergy being at its name, energy provider, I was looking because of the business we do, which electricity is a very, very important factor in our industry, and I was just looking for solutions. Looking at the electricity situation in Nigeria, I was just surfing the internet, looking for solutions on what can be done to assist our business. So I came across Arnergy on the internet, and I was able to get in touch with them. It's about 12 months now. 12 months, and I've deployed into 2 of our locations now. I've used the 5 kVA in a 6-bedroom duplex, and it powers most of the appliances that we have at home. The freezer, the fridge, we have ceiling fans, we have chandeliers, we have garden lights, we have security lights, we have compound lights, all the basic, apart from the AC, but all our basic electrical appliances in the house, it has powered them successfully. The 10,000 we do not use for 24 hours. We only use during the day. But for the 5,000, it takes us till the next day. It doesn't go off. Wow, a lot have changed. One, the pollution, the noise pollution has come down drastically because we use the generators we use during the day. Then in terms of money costs, money-wise, finance-wise, it has reduced our costs, and we have made a lot of savings because we no longer purchase petrol and all those fuels. So it has saved us a lot of money. Definitely, in the industry which I am operating, that's the hospitality industry, I'm a member of so many associations within that industry. I've even started recommending, and the associations are looking to partner with Arnergy. We are looking at having them come and do a presentation to the members of us. They'll definitely, for sure, I must recommend this as I'm benefiting from it.
Contact Arnergy today and enjoy our reliable energy solution. Arnergy, delivering reliable energy solutions on your terms.